1, go!
And robots are moving in match number 78. 36-35, Flying Legion drops one onto the reef. Over on the other side, 88-65, the Kilo Droid is able to drop a piece of algae into the processor with 4 seconds left. A little bit of action, and Red takes a little bit of a lead, 13 to 12. Going into teleoperated period, we have a piece of algae already up into the barge. Over on the other side, we have teammate 32 going up on L4 and able to score a piece of coral with 36-35 responding as well. 14-14 goes up and they miss for the Blue Alliance. Over on the other side, 14-14 going ahead, grabbing another piece of algae, getting into position to go ahead and shoot, and they score for the Blue Alliance. Over on the other side, 36-35 trying to get into position in front of the reef to go ahead and score. 8-32 going up and they score L4 for the Red Alliance. 10-3-7-6. Assisting on L1 for the Red Alliance. And another piece of algae goes up into the red barge. Right now, it is 44-34 to the Red Alliance with 1:30 left. 14-14 gets into position, shoots, and they score. Another one for the Blue Alliance. 88-49, Storm Robotics trying to get into position. Looks like they're going to go back to the feeding station, grab a piece of coral. 8-32 going up, and they score another on the Red Alliance. 36-35 to respond as well, and it looks like they score. But 14-14 is in on a hot streak with another algae in their grasp. They line up, they shoot, and they score another for the Blue Alliance. Right now, it is 62-56 to the Red Alliance. Still, it's a close match. 36-35, grabbing a piece of coral. They go ahead, line up. It looks like they're gonna go L3. And, looks like they get at least L1. And another piece of algae goes up into the barge. 88-65 to Kilo Droids going ahead, getting into position to go ahead and try to score on the barge. And it looks like they go up and shoot and score for the Blue Alliance. And right now, right about 30 seconds left, a 6-point differential between these teams. 8-32 trying to get into position to go ahead and climb. 36-35 going ahead. Looks like they're going to go ahead and try to grab another piece of algae off from the reef, and they do. 14-14 trying to also get into position. Looks like they're going to go ahead and grab another piece of algae, but looks like he gets away from them. With 10 seconds left, Red still has a little bit of a lead going into this last part of the match. With 10-3-7-6 going underneath, 14-14 goes up, and they miss for the Blue Alliance, and time has expired. We'll see how the math works out for match number 78 of a total 90 matches here at the Peachtree District State Championship in the beautiful Hawkins Arena at Mercer University. All right, and let's take a look at the scores. And from that match, Red takes the win with a score of 102-85. Red takes 4 ranking points. 10-3-76, Plutonian Panthers maintains their alliance selection rank for 6, while 36-35 and 8-32 move up in the rankings in the 30s. While on the Blue Alliance, we have a drop for a couple of those teams. 88-49 drops to 37, 14-49 hot drops to 43, and 88-65 drops down to 39. Now, remember guys, as soon as you finish your last match of the day, make sure you go ahead and get your robot re-inspected for the playoffs by our robot inspectors. Also, please make sure that you have representatives ready to go for a line selection, which will be happening after match.